Hello everyone, I am Brandon Ordoñez from ECE41 and today I will be performing our experiment number 8 for our Internet of Things laboratory, which is entitled Simple Application of Dashboard UI for Node-RED. Hello everyone, so this would be our recording from our Raspberry Pi desktop. So I went ahead and pressed start, programming, and Node-RED. So let us wait for it to appear. So now the Node-RED console would be shown, and let us take note of the IP address, which is 192.168.254.130:180. This will be used later for access in our Windows computer. So let's go ahead to our Windows computer and access our Node-RED programming workspace. We need to leave our Node-RED console on so that the server is established and our Windows computer would be able to access the server. Hello everyone, so from your computer, you could go to the IP address shown from our Red Node console. There. So I have already created our diagram for this experiment. So let me explain the parts used for this experiment. So first, this would be our our sliders. I have included 4 sliders for each part of the house that whose light we will manage. So in order to use a slider, go to the dashboard part of our workspace and search for the slider. There. So for each slider, first for the porch light, I have included it in the group porch light, which I have created earlier. So go to dashboard. In order to create a group, add group, then there. From there, you could edit your group and rename it so that you would easily organize your groups created for this user interface. So first there, for the porch light, I have included it in the porch light group from our user interface, and I have set our minimum value to 0 and our maximum value to 100, and I have renamed it porch light. So same with the bedroom light, I have included it in the group bedroom light and renamed the label as bedroom light and set the range from 0 to 100. Next, for the kitchen light, there, I have added it to the group kitchen light and changed the label and the range. Same goes with the living room light. I have changed the group, the label, and the range. Next, for our outputs, for the porch, I have used GPIO 14 for our Raspberry Pi 4, and I have set the type to PWM output since we would be using a slider. Next, for the bedroom, I have used GPIO 4 and same PWM output and renamed it bedroom. Next, for the kitchen, I have used GPIO 5, PWM output, and kitchen. Lastly, for the living room, I have used GPIO 2. For our kitchen, I have used GPIO 3, not 5. For our living room, I have used GPIO 2, changed the type to PWM output, and changed the name to living room. And lastly, for the gauges used, there, porch light, I have just selected the group to their respective groups. There. So after that, we will click deploy and go to 192 there and add /UI. So in order to further explore Node-RED, I will be trying to manage the lights using my Android phone, and let's see the results. Hello everyone, so first we would go to Chrome in order for us to access the user interface display. So I will type the IP address shown from our Node-RED console and add/UI. There. From here, we could see the user interface that I have shown earlier in our Raspberry Pi recording. So first, let us test. Initially, all lights are turned off since the values are all at 0. So first, for the living room light, which is the red light, let's try it to be at 25. There. Next, for the kitchen light, let us try to set it at 25. There. Next, for the bedroom light, let us set it to be at 25 for its brightness, 25%. There. Next, for our porch light, let us set it to be at 25%. There. All lights are at 25%. Now, let us try to set all the lights to 50. So, first, for the living room light. There. There, it is now at 50%. Next, let us try to set the kitchen light to be at 50%. There. Next, let's set the bedroom light to be at 50%. There. Next, let us set our porch light to be at 50%. There. Next, let us set our living room light to be at 75%. There. And now let's set it to be at 100%. There. Next, our kitchen light, let us set it to be at 75%. There, and now let us set it to 100. Next, our bedroom light, let's set it to 75%. And let's set it to 100%. There. Next, lastly, for our porch light, let us set it to be at 75. Then at 100%. So, again, I will try to turn off all the lights. First, the living room light, then the porch light, then the kitchen light, then our bedroom light. So, I will show you one by one individually. The effects of sliding the brightness of our lights in our user interface. So first, the porch light from 0 to 100 and back to 0. Next, our kitchen light from 0 to 100 and from 100 to 0. Next, our bedroom light from 0 to 100 and from 100 to 0. And lastly, our living room light from 0 to 100 and from 100 to 0. There. So that is it for our application using Node-RED programming for our Internet of Things laboratory.